இன்னைக்கு நம்ம பார்க்க போகிறது எக்ஸசைஸ் 2.5ல 7th sum. Okay, so the question, if 9 times 9th term is equal to the 15 times 15th term, show that 6 times 24th term is 0. So what is given here? You see 9 times 9th term. So 9 times means you multiply. So 9 into 9th term means T9. Nth term na you say Tn. So instead of n here 9th term is there. So 9 into T9 is equal to 15 times. So 15 into 15th term T15. Here you have to prove that, show that this is given, but you show that 6 times 24th term is 0. So here you write this is given, then you write to prove. What we have to prove here? 6 times 24th term. So 6 into 224 is equal to 0. So we know that Tn is equal to, that is the nth term, Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. நம்மளுக்கு என்ன தெரியும்? Tn ங்கிறது a plus n minus 1 into d. That is a formula to find the nth term. So here, using that formula, using that Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d, you write 9 into T9, that is a plus, instead of n, 9 minus 1 into d is equal to 15 times 15th term, that is a plus 15 minus 1 into d. Now you have to find out the value for this one. You see 9 into a plus 9 minus 1, that is 8d. Okay, equal to 15 into a plus 15 minus 1, that 15 minus 1 is 14. So a plus 14d. Now you remove the bracket. So multiply with 9 left hand side. 9 into a, 9a plus 9 into 8, that is 72d is equal to 15 into a, 15a plus 15 into 14 you multiply. So 15 into 14 how much? In the rough work you should multiply this one. So 15 into 14 is equal to 5 4s are 20. Remaining 2, 1 4 is 4, 4 plus 2 6. Then 5 1 is 5. 1 into 1, 1. If you are adding, you will get 0, 1, 2. So 210 into d. Now you bring that a and d, all the terms in one side. So here you see, if I bring now all the terms, that 9a plus 72d to the right hand side, because the right hand side value is greater than the left hand side. So I will bring all the terms to that side. So 15a, already right hand side, what is that? 15a plus 210d minus 9a minus 72d is equal to 0. என்ன பண்ணியிருக்கேன்? எல்லாத்தையும் நம்ம ரைட் ஹேண்ட் சைடு கொண்டு வந்துட்டோம். ஏ அப்படின்னா ரைட் ஹேண்ட் சைடு பிக்கஸ்ட் வேல்யூ இருக்கு கம்பேர் பண்ணும்போது லெஃப்ட் ஹேண்ட் சைடோட. ஸோ எல்லாத்தையும் ரைட் ஹேண்ட் சைடு கொண்டு வரோம். அப்படி கொண்டு வரும்போது பிளஸ் எல்லாம் மைனஸ் சைன் ஆயிரும். Now 15a and 9a, these two are like terms. So same variable இருக்கு. So இதை sub பண்ணலாம். 15 minus 9 how much? 6. So 6a. Then 210 minus 72. So 210 minus 72 you subtract, you will get 10 minus 2. So 10 minus 2, 8. So plus. Biggest number is in plus sign. Okay. So how will you subtract this one? 210 more, then 72. So you borrow 1, it becomes 10. Here it becomes 0. Now 10 minus 2, 8. So now 0 is there. Can you subtract? No. So again you borrow. It becomes 1 and this one becomes 10. So 10 minus 7, here 3, then 1. So 138 into D is equal to 0. Now 6 is common for this one. So if I take 6 outside, then 6A divided by 6, that is A, plus 138, if you divide it by 6, you will get 23D equal to 0. Okay, so you take this as 1. Now you say, we want to prove 6 into 24 is equal to 0. So what? Find out the value for 6 times 24 is equal to 6 into A plus n minus 1 into D. A plus 24 minus 1 into D. So using that formula, this 324 can be written as A plus 24 minus 1 into D, that is equal to 6 into A plus 23D. Okay, so already you know by 1, 6 into A plus 23D is equal to 0. So this is equal to 0 by 1. So you write hence proved. Hence you have to prove this one only. So hence proved. That's all.